You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what is the meaning of X as a Roman numeral. What number is it and why? Let's break it down. How do you pronounce it? The meaning of X is the number 10. You may have seen it for counting, numbering certain items, just like an iPhone, for example, iPhone X. No, this is number 10, Roman numeral number 10. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.